brush. And now you can see the cat is pretty much relaxed if it handles all the time, okay? Ooh, what is that? And the good thing about the mist is soaks away pretty much everything right away. We want to do the front paws, we want to do the back legs, we want to do underarms, really important. We want to color the cat completely. We want to see and touch him after the line dip and make sure he's completely wet. As you can see, he's pretty wet now on one side, so we can move him around. Always gentle. And we start with the next process.
If you guys haven't seen it, every cat back there should have like a laminated sign of a face, and that the dots on there shows where the lesions are, so that's where you should be focusing.
Ooh, that booty, that tail, everything. And then if you could lift him so I can get his belly, and we want all white, yellow. The belly, between the legs, under arms, under feet arms, everything. And that's how the majority of the cat is gonna be lined up. As you can see, it's a pretty easy process. Most of the cat take it really well. So now we're gonna dip the sponges really well.